Hi everyone, today we are going to check out this retractable extension cord reel. It comes with 50 feet 14 gauge cable and the inlet cable is 4.5 feet. There is a built-in 30 amp circuit breaker in case the unit got overloaded. Both the inlet and outlet are 3 prong connectors with ground connection. The cable inside is SJTOW cable. It is designed to be used in portable tools, maintenance equipment, small appliances like washing machines and portable lights. There are 3 outlet connectors, so we can connect to more than one device at once, as long as we keep in mind that the maximum current is 13 amps. There is a built-in mounting bracket in the backside of the unit. It can be turned to face either direction in up to 180 degrees. Wall anchors are included in the package, so we can easily mount this unit onto the wall or on the ceiling. It's pretty effortless to pull the cable from the reel. The cable will stop by itself every time the reel turns and there will be a click sound. Earlier we mentioned SJTOW cable. SJ means it's a service cord, junior service up to 300 volts. T means thermoplastic. O is oil-resistant jacket and W is weather-resistant. This unit features convenient automatic rewind. We can just pull the cable a little bit and let it go, then the unit will rewind the cable by itself. There is also a handy adjustable cord stopper on the cable. We can use it to set how long the cable is outside the reel. Another thoughtful feature is that the outlet is lighted. It's easier to find the outlet in dim or dark places. Other than use it to connect to portable tools in the workshop, I also found it convenient to use this unit to charge electrical bikes and scooters. Usually the wheels are dirty, so we don't want to take them inside the house. But the outlets outside the house are pretty limited, and that's where this unit comes in handy. I hope this video provided some useful information regarding the unit. Please remember to subscribe my channel.